The time domain analysis of first order of RL and RC circuits. Okay, resistance, inductance, and resistance and capacitance series circuits. Before going to the topic, what is the transients? What is the time response? Transients means the time varying current and voltage resulting from the sudden application of source, usually due to the switching are called as a transients. Okay, reading the equations, integrating differential equations. The basic RL and RC circuits. Okay, the first order RC circuits, it is used for filtering the signals by blocking certain frequencies and passing others. For example, low pass filters. Okay, if any circuit with a single energy storage elements, an arbitrary number of sources and an arbitrary number of resistors, the circuit is order 1. Any voltage or current in such circuit solution is first order differential equation. For example, ideal linear capacitor. So Q equal to C into V. So I of t equal to dq by dt. You know what is the formula for a current equal to charge by time, dq by dt. So C equal to dV by dt. Okay. V of t equal to Vc plus t. Energy stored in this capacitor is equal to half CV scale. Okay. The combination of R and L and the combination of R and C, resistance and inductance, the resistance and capacitance. In a first order circuit, the first order time domain analysis, the RC circuits. Okay, the voltage source is Vs of t. The resistance across the voltage is Vr of t. The capacitor across the voltage is Vc of t. Here the one capacitor or one resistors. The source and resistors may be equivalent to the circuit. The many resistors and capacitors. Now apply the time domain analysis. The time constant equal to t equal to R and C. Okay, here V of C equal to E into 1 by E for moment t by omega, Vc by dt equal to E of E by omega equal to E of minus t by omega. Vc by d equal to then t equal to 0, the time starting time, E of t equal to t, E by dVc by dt. Okay. And the transient response of RC circuits, now apply the KVL, Vc plus Ic into R. Okay, the voltage across the capacitor plus the voltage across the resistance equal to 0. Ic equal to, you know, C into dVc by dt. So Vc plus Rc into dVc by dt by d equal to 0. V equal to A into e for minus t by Rc. Initial conditions, what will happen? Vc equal to Vc of 0 of minus equal to E. Vc equal to E into E for t by Rc equal to E into t by omega. And the next one is RC's RL circuits. The RL circuits consist of the combination of resistor and inductor. Okay. Apply the KVL, one VR minus Vs plus voltage across the resistor, voltage across the inductor is equal to 0. VR equal to R into IL of t. So VL equal to L into DL by dt. Okay. L into DL by dt plus R into IL of t equal to Vs. Okay. The series circuits minus V of Cs plus VR plus Vc of t equal to 0. VR of t equal to R into I of t. And I of t equal to C into TVC by dt by dt. Okay. dVc by dt plus 1 by R into C, Vc by Vc of t equal to 1 by Rc into Vs. The first order differential equation is equal to, what is the formula for first order differential equation is dx by dt plus 1 by dx of t equal to t. The solution for first order differential equation x of t equal to a plus b plus. These are a constant to determine. A is called as a force difference. The second b for this is equal to natural. The first order RC circuits, Vc of t equal to e for minus t by Rc. Okay, first order RL circuits, what is the formula for? V of t equal to L into dA by dt. Okay. The final value, basic RLs and RLC circuit, the first order time domain analysis. RL circuit, the source, the zero states, I of t equal to L by equal to E by R. You know the what is the formula for voltage by resistance? The time constant equal to L by R. The source free, the zero input is when I equal to 0, V by R. Here the current is 0, L by R. But RC circuits, what will happen? The initial value that we voltage value 0, the steady state value is the voltage value equal to E, time constant equal to RC. The source free, 0 input is equal to V not equal to E, V equal to 0, the time constant equal to C. Okay, the analysis of response of circuit consists of RLC voltage source and current source, which to sudden applications of voltage or current is called as a time domain analysis and transient response. When AC or AC alternate current and DC current or voltage source is connected to the circuit, the steady current can be calculated by many methods. Okay, it is also assumed the circuit elements RLC constant and source is very strong. Okay, the transient response in circuits due to the energy storing elements. In a for source-free circuits, transient response is called as a natural frequency. For circuit with a source, transient response is called as a forced response. Okay, disturbance in study operation of circuits available and can be of any type of below. Any circuit suddenly connected to the source or disconnected from the source, sudden changes apply to the voltage. After disturbance means the final steady state response, transient response. Okay. For example, the steady state response means there is no disturbance. If any disturbance, like during the disturbance. Okay. Series RL circuits to apply the KVL. Series RL circuits means the circuit diagram, the network containing the voltage and resistance and capacitance. To apply the KVL or I of t equal to L into dA by dt. Okay. L into dA by t. Series RLC circuits to apply the time domain analysis. I of t equal to I of t into E minus RL by t. Okay. RL circuits. I of t equal to Vs by S by 1 minus RL by t. Okay. In RC circuits, this is the RL circuit diagrams. In RC circuits, we have Vs minus R into I of t minus Vc of t. Okay. In RC circuits, the final value is equal to I of t equal to Vs minus V naught by R into E for t by pi. Okay, thank you.